Faith is not passive waiting. It is confident expectation. It is seeing possibility before evidence appears, trusting the unseen and believing deeply enough to transform reality from within. I walk through valleys filled with doubt, searching for a clearer route, wondering if dreams could rise beyond the limits of my mind. Then quietly my spirit learned, hope survives when faith still burns, and every vision held with peace begins creating change unseen. The strongest hearts continue believing. The strongest hearts continue believing, even when the world gives no reason, and every soul embracing trust can awaken power within us. Believe beyond the silence now. Let faith and hope surround you somehow. No limitation can forever hold a resilient, fearless, hopeful soul with spiritual confidence through the climb and inner peace through changing times. Every vision, every dream can become reality. I learned conviction shapes the road, helping hidden greatness grow, because possibility expands inside believing hearts and hands. Every challenge, strength and trust in the unseen guiding us, and every prayer held faithfully became strength inside of me. The future changes through belief, through persistence beyond defeat, through persistence beyond defeat, and every person defeat, and every person choosing faith can reshape their fate. Trust the unseen while climbing higher. Protect the hope that fuels the fire, because transformation first begins inside the strength held deep within. No darkness lasts forever long before determined hearts stay strong, and every spirit choosing life can overcome night. Now I believe beyond the silence boldly. No fear can weaken what I see. With resilience, vision, and faith combined, I leave limitation behind, and every challenge helps me prove belief can transform life too, and let belief become the bridge between dreams and reality.